With Garyvee, the first goal has to be to get to like restaurants or food somehow. A restaurant reservation app, perfect. Let's see, restaurant, perfect. Take me to like breakfast if possible. Breakfast, amazing. Okay, first meal of the day, most important. North America, US, quick breakfast, perfect. Let's see if we can get to cereal. Cornflakes is great. Breakfast cereal, amazing. Let's look in here. What do you got? Sugar cereals. Oh my god, we're so in. Sugar cereals. Show me a sugar cereal. Rice Krispies, Tony the Tiger, Trix Rabbit. Oh, and we're there, baby. 27 seconds. Let's go.